Owners of the Woodcut Pro-Forme know just how tricky sharpening the cutting edge of this toolhead can be. Due to its small size and unusual cutting edge profile, doing it on a standard bench grinder is rather dangerous. On the other hand, the manufacturer's suggested method of using a diamond file might not be ideal, as the file constantly tries to slip off the optimal path during manual sharpening. Sharpening with diamond cards isn't considered optimal by the manufacturer either. Since I happen to have a slow-speed Tormek in addition to my standard grinder where I do most of my turning tool sharpening, I decided to try sharpening this cutter head on it and avoid plunging into extra expenses for diamond files. As an add-on for my Tormek, I'll be using the MB-102 Multi Base. I think sharpening on the side face of the diamond wheel will be the optimal solution. Although the multi-base is a very convenient device, I'll still need to slightly rotate the cutter head at a certain point due to the complex shape of the edge. After setting the bevel angle, I mark the edge with a magic marker and wet the side of the wheel. Looking at the head from above, once the correct angle is set for the perpendicular section of the edge, I'll have to rotate the head slightly as I transition to the parallel section to follow the profile's trajectory. Since the Tormek is a slow-speed grinder, doing this is fairly easy. The manufacturer recommends sharpening the edge with a grit ranging from 300 to 600. I'm using the fine diamond wheel, which corresponds to roughly 600 grit. I believe that routinely sharpening the edge with this grit before starting each new project will be optimal. This way, my edge should stay as sharp as possible without losing its profile.